Give yourself some grace. There's a lot of information. It's really overwhelming.
Federal program seems to change constantly.
Realize that you don't know everything, and it's okay not to know everything.
Don't worry that you don't understand it that first year. It usually takes a whole year cycle, and then you start understanding it the next year.
You're never going to know it all. Just when you think you do, the rules change, so just give yourself a break.
Build that network of people that you can depend on.
It's okay not to know everything. You will learn it as you go along.
Don't get discouraged if that first year, you don't know what you're doing, because you probably don't yet, because you don't understand all the little pieces that go into that year.
And do not try to do the job alone.